Good morning to all of you. I have my voice back, so as not to strain it too much, I'm going to keep the video short. Coincidentally, there's not a lot of direction for today that I have to provide. You do have a little bit of flexibility in how you spend your class period today. Some of you are behind, and remember, I can monitor all of the things that you have been working on or not working on from home. A couple of you have reached out. I know that this has been difficult. I have not enjoyed spending time at home. I mean, okay, that's not entirely true. I like spending time at home with my kids, but not under these situations. The circumstances have been less than enjoyable. Right now, it's looking like I'll come back on Monday. I'm not making any promises yet. Okay, fingers crossed. That's just the plan. And then hopefully we can get back to what feels like our normal. I get it. It's been rough. I've never taken so many sick days in a school year, let alone all at once, as I have right now. All right, so where we're at for today, that buffer of time, like I said, there's flexibility. So if you are behind or you're like, I'm not really sure, and then maybe you ask a classmate and they have a great explanation. Because some folks have emailed me some very clear questions. I can help you with clear questions. I've had some folks that have gone out and sought out some additional support. Great. That's what we need to do. Times like this, we have to help each other. So use this time to take care of business, finish up tasks, what you need to do. But the one thing that must be done today is your CER, okay? And that means that you're going to have to go back out to your History of Earth assignment. Okay, out here at this History of Earth assignment, we have done the Explore 1, okay, taken care of. We've done the Explore 2, taken care of. Your Explore 3 section should be blank, and that's on purpose now. I replaced this one with the Legends of Learning that you did yesterday. Okay, this Explore 3 required a lot of directions from me that I couldn't give to you without a voice. Like, I don't think you truly don't think you could have heard my whisper. I was down to nothing to speak with for 2 days. Anyway, this section, the Explore 3, I expect it to be blank. You do not have to do any guessing. You don't have to give in. Just leave that blank. I expect to see that, okay? But it's what comes after that index fossils. This is where I need your best efforts, okay? I have given you the directions. Make sure that you use any of your resources as your evidence, any of the things that you have done. Legends of Learning is fine. The Explorers that are above this, absolutely fine. Videos that we've watched, fine. Okay, make sure that you're referencing those. But the prompt gives you the parameters. Okay, so you're going to be writing claim evidence reasoning, showing me what you know, because what you can do is the CER part, right? About the law of superposition, geologic timescale, index fossils, and how geologists, those are scientists, use those pieces of information to determine the history of Earth. That's what you've been building up towards. And you've had this prompt the whole time. Go figure, right? The things that I do for you. Okay, now I'm just being silly. If we go back down a little bit further here, the claim evidence reasoning, there are prompts here. There are points of consideration. Please do not just go, whatever. Let me just write in the blanks. I see students do that a lot, and they're not providing me with the best work. Okay, so make sure that you at least review these. Incorporate some of the sentence frames or sentence starters, whatever. Incorporate some of those. It elevates your writing. Okay, if you are just writing partial phrases, you're not really showing me what you can do. Because I know you learned how to write complete sentences back in elementary school. So I need complete work, complete thoughts. Okay? That's all I have for you for today. So you have, again, buffer time. So time to complete things that are unfinished. And then your CER must be complete today. Today is the due date. Please make sure you submit this assignment at the end of class so that I can get to the feedback on them. Okay, and we can get moving forward on Monday to fill in gaps that your CER show me that you have. Okay, I do not expect you to sit in front of me with nothing done on Monday. That's 5 school days. You are capable, you are talented, and you are intelligent individuals. You have got this. All right, and I will see you later. Bye.